RHS Pre-Calculus presents Galactic Radians.
A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a planet that measured everything in radians instead of degrees. There was a small school where young apprentices were learning patience, valor, and how to convert radians to degrees.
Welcome, young Jedi. Your first task today is to master the unit circle.
The unit circle can be measured in either radians or degrees. What is a radian, you ask?
Well, a radian is a real number. In our case, it is an angle measurement. The four main measurements are pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Also represented are pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3.
Looking at this circle, we can tell that 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees. Once we know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degrees, we can also determine that pi is equal to 180 degrees. And then we can also find the other angle measurements.
We can use our knowledge of 2 pi equals 360 degrees and cross multiplication to convert radians to degrees.
What is cross multiplication, you ask?
Well, cross multiplication is the process of solving two ratios. When converting radians to degrees, you always multiply by 180 degrees and divide by pi to give you the degree measurement.
In my youth, a man there was. He lived on the planet, and he said,
I started off in the city of Otto, and I walked to the city located at 9 pi over 4. What city did I end up in?
Let's start off by looking at the map of the planet. We know that he started off in Otto City, and he walked to a city located at 9 pi over 4.
First things first, we need to convert 9 pi over 4 radians to degrees by multiplying the numerator by 180 degrees and dividing by pi.
Doing this, we find that 9 pi over 4 is equal to 405 degrees. If we subtract 360 degrees from 405 degrees, we can determine that 405 degrees is equal to 45 degrees.
So, when we measure 45 degrees on our map, we realize that this man only really walked to Galactic City, and it was not as far as others on the planet thought.
So, young Jedi, now that you know the basics of converting radians to degrees, go out into the galaxy and be brave, strong, and convert those radians to degrees.